People of South Africa, it is a morning. You know, I'm a commenter disappointed are the people who are abajabulile but why lo re ba itumetse ba re no the national shutdown in libua ka yona maobane ha ya etsahala, it was not successfully, it was day as usual, ba re ba ile ko mesebetsing, like they just but you know we went about our day as usual. They are happy. And let me tell you, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi spoke. He told us what is happening in South Africa. I don't know if some people still think it's a joke. Just now, a few days ago, the Navy chief from the South African Navy, he also spoke and told us how the drugs are coming into our country, how they are not given the resources to do their job. I don't know if you also checked Imadlanga Commission yesterday. Begune Poise, I think it's Ubabu Khumalo, who also spoke how the SAPS they are involved. Guys, do you understand what is happening in South Africa? Do you understand even us, Maskhuluma Kanje, even us when we are mobilizing, when we come in platforms like this ones, and risking impilo zethu, risking impilo zemndeni wethu, do you understand it is because of also even some of you who are saying your kids are writing, we are doing this for the future of your kids. We are doing this for South Africa, guys, because of, I'm telling you, imagine if abantu ukuthi bafana nabo General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, abantu abafana Navy chief, if those people right now where they are, they find themselves in the corner to a point manje sekumele bajumpe nemthetho bazi phambili, baze ku media bazokhuluma nathi bashele. Do you understand what that means? Do you understand ukuthi labantu laba, even na these drug cartels, nalama mafia lawa, I'm telling you right now, ingathi yibo abaphethe South Africa, they put our country in the corner because of they've captured our leaders, because of they've captured the corrupt politicians. And some of you will be excited to know the national shutdown, it was not a success. Where else, how is it supposed to be a success when some of you are not involved? How will it be a success when some of you ninganandaba? How will it be a success when some of you are criticizing labo okuthi they are standing at the forefront? Today sinabantu besifazana abafana nabo sis Amandube who are at the forefront, who are fighting for this country, who are standing for this country, who are saying enough is enough. And some of you West Party ngabantu besilisa, nihlulwa abantu besifazane, abantu people who are leading this thing are women, people who are at the forefront, people who are risking impilo zabo, abantu besifazane who are standing at the forefront. People of South Africa, more than anything, if there's ever been a time where we need to unite as South Africans and speak in one voice, it is now. If there's ever been a time where we need to defend our country, it is now. Because of the very same kids ekuthi nina niyabakhulumela na kula ma platform are the very same kids tomorrow, some of them will end up kuma drugs. I would like to believe that some of the kids who are in drugs today, abazali babo maybe yesterday were also the ones who were saying no, me I don't care, hey my kid dead, my kid dead. Ingane today they are involved in drugs. Ingane today they are involved in prostitution. Today there is human trafficking because of our government. La wamela keep ama resource corner, la wamela keep imali corner, so that the ones who wamele basvigele akawa keep la ma resources lao.